They do work on the standard flip key, and then they do work on the push button start. This is a Platinum that already has OEM remote start, but we wanted to add our cell phone module unit, so we just added our remote start and cell phone option. So basically this one has our no honk kit, and this one has our honk kit, and we're gonna give you a quick demo on what the difference is. Honk kit, you hit the lock button 3 times. If you guys aren't sure which one that you need to purchase, just walk outside and hit your lock button 3 times on your factory key, whether it's a push button or the key. And if the horn is too loud for you, then don't get that one. So you're gonna hit lock, lock, lock. You'll give it a second. It'll start. You can simply turn it off by hitting the same sequence on the remote. So this is our honk kit, which is lock, lock, lock. This one is our no honk kit, which is lock, unlock, lock. So we're gonna go lock, unlock, lock. Same thing, monitors, glow plugs, and there we go.